Today, the 7th of May 2020, I would like to show you the result of the restoration of the Radioner transmitter RS-20M. Restoration is maybe not the right word, but what we did is making it suitable for long-term demonstrations. And actually we have replaced some capacitors, particularly electrolytic capacitors, and Hans also had to change the cord between the transmitter and the microphone, and this is really working exceptionally fine. Hans, please, can you switch over from A3 modulation to A1 modulation, and now please, dots, please. And we're transmitting now on 3505 kilohertz in the 80 meter band, and you might see even the pointer of the meter is indicating that RF signal is being supplied onto the antenna, and the dummy load are two so-called Sofiten bulbs, and this was originally made by PA0MM Metzler in 1946. It is astonishingly well performing, and the sound in the background is originating from the R4 Siemens intercept receivers, particularly used for the Abwehr, and I'm very pleased with it. Thank you.